Excuse me, sir. I am the wandering sphinx, not that. Those materials are very good.
Cut! You fucked up again.
You can't just hold the pizza there.
Hold on.
This is not. Jason, Jason, you need to see a doctor.
That's what got us into this mess.
Your dad's right, Jason.
Your mom's so indoctrinated now we're all in the hell.
Shannon, help me out here.
I'm busy getting chips.
Can you strangle Jason?
He's anorexic.
Let's see. Stack before cutting to the same scene.
Dangerous how? I have a Cleopatra to please, Mr. Sphinx.
Obvious cut and bleeding. Let's see.
Something happened between that scene and the scene, and now he's bleeding, but we never find out what it was. Those materials do not make a proper food pyramid. They belong in my belly.
Cut!
We
Make
can't
a
keep
pyramid.
doing this, you guys. We can't keep fucking doing this.
Okay, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do, Jason? Jason, I'm sorry to do this. I'm gonna take away your pacifier.
I don't have one. I don't have one.
Jason having a pacifier.
I'm gonna take away your sour popsicle that you have.
You can't do that.
Until you read your lines, you're not getting this back.
Which one?
All of them.
Oh no. You have to admit, I'm a wonderful new Jason.
You're frightening me.
These materials do not make a proper food pyramid. They're what my species, nerds,
Sphinxes.
call food. If I'm saying these lines, I'm clearly a nerd. They're what my species call food like submarines.
Jason, you're editorializing again.
I'll, what?
You mean food like substances.
I mean food like substances. Because they're food that you like substances.
Mr. Sphinx!
Yes.
What happens if we were to consume a food like substance?
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Cut!
So, see what I mean, guys? It's so loud and annoying.
I'm gonna throw this popsicle in the trash, Jason.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm gonna do it.
This is. Oh, this is becoming dumbass.
You did it again, guys.
We did it.
You fucking made me. You put me in stitches.
Shannon! Not Shannon. Jason, read your line.
I'm trying. I'm reading the lines that I can.
Read the lines that are there.
You. Oh, God. So bad. You.
I can replace you, Jason.
I'm irreplaceable.
I'm irreplaceable. I am perfect.
I can bring in Fenton.
I don't think you. I think you and I both know that's an empty threat.
That is an empty threat. I would not bring in Fenton.
Who the fuck would want Fenton anyway, Brendan? No one likes Fenton.
Just read your damn lines, Jason. For the love of God.
You've become a dick, like for instance, for life.
Oh, okay. Cut.
I read the line that time.
Subliminal messages, though. We're not doing that.
It's not subliminal. I said it out loud.
Take Take 5.
Okay.
Oh God. Number 5.
Jason?
Let's see, Jason.
This is like the 3rd hour we've spent filming this.
The viewers at home are gonna get really confused as to why King Tut's getting so angry in between every line.
I'm surprised we haven't even got kicked out yet.
Don't say that. Say that.
Look, we'll get you another goddamn sour popsicle thingy if you read your lines.
I could
Thank you,
potentially,
Melissa.
I could potentially get diabetes along the way.
Lunch is served, everyone. My first real meal in 24 hours.
Show Shannon licking his lips.
Here I go.
No. Cut. Take 6.